Hello, everyone, and welcome to another exciting episode of Clickbait, a brand new show on cybersecurity brought to you by IT Voice. I am Avishka Tadani, presenting the show to keep you informed about the latest threats and trends in cybersecurity, helping you stay secure online. So, buckle up, get curious, and let's clickbait together the safe way. Amazon Web Services has introduced AWS Security Incident Response to streamline recovery from cyber attacks. The service integrates GuardDuty and third-party tools, providing a unified dashboard of managing alert permissions and incident data. Customers also benefit from AWS dedicated incident response team. Aimed at addressing challenges in scaling security operation, the service appeals to existing AWS users by enhancing compatibility with other AWS tools. Already deployed by customers like the PGA tool, the service targets a growing market, with the global incident response sector projected to reach $89.09 billion by 2030. AWS aims to compete with startups offering similar solutions. Krispy Kreme disclosed on Wednesday that unauthorized activity within its IT systems disrupted certain operations, including online ordering in the US, leading to a pre-market share drop of around 2%. The company became aware of the incident on November 29 and has since launched an investigation with external cybersecurity experts to mitigate the effect. In its regulatory filing, Krispy Kreme noted that the financial repercussions of the breach, including revenue losses from digital sales, are expected to significantly impact its operational results. The incident comes at a time when Krispy Kreme is focusing on expanding its presence and digital strategies globally. Experian's 2025 data breach forecast predicts AI-related cyber threats will rise significantly. Key trends include AI-trained insiders committing fraud, increased attack on energy-intensive data centers, and hackers targeting fellow cybercriminals. Teen hackers recruited through gaming and social platforms are also expected to grow in number. Experian warns of sophisticated ransomware and the exploitation of consumer data for reputational damage. As data breaches surge, businesses and government are urged to prioritize investment in advanced cybersecurity solutions to counter evolving threats. Tata Consultancy Services has released its 2025 Cybersecurity Outlook, identifying key technology trends to help businesses navigate the evolving threat landscape. The report emphasizes generative AI, cloud security, and supply chain resilience as critical areas for safeguarding operations against rising cyber threats. To counterattack these threats, TCS urges organizations to adopt GenAI-powered threat detection and response team. The Outlook underscores the importance of robust cloud security measures like encryption and continuous monitoring, particularly as companies transition to multi-cloud environments. It also emphasizes resilient supply chain essential for maintaining operational integrity amid geopolitical shift. Additionally, TCS stresses the need for secure by design practices in emerging business models, especially as IoT and connected technology grow. The number of cybersecurity incidents tracked by Indian Computer Emergency Response Team surged from 3,94,499 in 2019 to 15,92,917 in 2023, marking a more than four-fold increase. According to Minister of State for Electronics and IT, Jitin Prasad, while incidents dipped slightly in 2022 compared to 2021 and 2020, witnessed the sharpest year-on-year spike, with reported cases nearly tripling to 11,58,208. Cybersecurity incidents involving government organizations also more than doubled, rising from 87,797 in 2019 to 2,04,844 in 2023. Certain 2022 directives mandate reporting 20 types of cybersecurity incidents, including data breaches, digital payments attack, and identity theft. In response to concerns about Aadhaar data breaches, Prasad confirmed no breach has occurred in the Central Identities Data Repository or UIDAI. Thanks for joining us on Clickbait. We have covered some critical cybersecurity news today. What are your thoughts on these developments? Share your insights and questions in the comments below. Let's build a strong cybersecurity community together. Like and subscribe to our channel if you've enjoyed this video. See you next time.